Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can edit your photo with a famous person you like. You can edit your photo with a celebrity, idol, or whoever you like using InShot app. Let's get started. Open the InShot app on your phone. Then you have to click on a create new project right here and choose this plus button. Then you have to select the photo that you want to edit with your favorite person, and I'll go with this photo. Just click on the photo, and then after that you can click on this sticker button, and then choose this button, and you have to click on this button, this cut out button, and select the favorite one. Select your favorite person to be added to your photo, and I'll go with my favorite idol right here, and just click on the photo, and you have to choose AI. Click on AI, then click on this check mark and wait for a moment, guys. Alright, and then I'm gonna mirror this photo. If you want to mirror the photo, you have to click on this button. Alright, and we can adjust it until it looks real. Wait for a moment. You can zoom in like this. You can edit as you like until it looks real. Alright. And make sure that you choose the photo with the same lighting to make it more realistic, and I suggest you to choose the photo angle which complete each other like this, or choose the match photos. Okay guys, that's how we can edit our photo with our favorite person. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.